Okay, so we're gonna always start our set off with a little bit of pampering, and I'm using one of my scrubs from Sugar Scoop Beauty. It's the apple pumpkin scent. It smells so delicious and it makes your hands feel even better. So I'm gonna go ahead and wet my hands because these are emulsifying scrubs. So it has to be on wet skin, and you'll see how it lathers into like a creamy, lotiony consistency while still scrubbing, making your hands look all that. Okay. As you can see, an emulsifying scrub is solid form until you scoop it out and then kind of combine it on wet skin. Because it is emulsifying, I feel like you would use less product than you would use with one of like a scrub that has a more looser texture because it's so solid. But girl, once it melts into your skin and the water, it just does, I don't know, it's just the bomb. It's the bomb. You really need to get you some. We definitely have a few more apple pumpkins in stock, and we have about 7 other scents if you want to go ahead and check that out. So you can see me just, you know, scrubbing my hands, making sure it's soft, and the more I scrub or the more water that I add, it's going to get a little bit more creamy. So it's awesome. And you can kind of see here where I did add some more water, and you can see that it's getting a little bit more creamy. Of course, when you're in a shower, it's easier to do because you are going to be wet from just being in the shower, but this is the bomb. Hands down, and not because it's mine, not because I made it, hands down, best scrub ever. Best scrubbing experience ever. I promise you, boo-boo. I promise you, your hands are going to be so moisturized, your body is going to be so moisturized. You're going to feel like you don't need to wear lotion, but still moisturized. But you'll have the feeling as if you don't even really need to be honest. Okay, my hands are so soft and they smell so good. So we're ready to go ahead and pretty much dive in. I'm gonna go ahead and clip my nails. And I always clip my nails because the more surface that the nails has to stick to, the more likely it is to lift. So we want to clip away any unnecessary edges. If you don't need the nails, clip them down. It makes a longer set. It makes it more secure. And it looks better as well from underneath. You don't want to see your nails peeking through from the set, if you know what I'm saying. So just go ahead and clip away the extra nails. We don't even need it. Okay, so I just pull one of the kits out from the press-on. Pull one of the nail kits from one of the press-on sets. So if you shop with Sugar Scoop Beauty, when you buy any of our sets, it does come with a nail kit to help you put your nails on. So I just grabbed the filer and we're just buffing the top layer of the nails gently just to make a scratchy surface, which makes it much easier for the nail to stick to and stay to. I wear my nails for 2 weeks normally. My last set was on a little over 3 weeks. I didn't want it that long. I just was so busy I wasn't able to. But the fact that it did stay on that long and I had only lost like 1 nail once we were a little after 2 weeks, that's Gucci. That's Gucci, girl. That's good. So now we have a very important step, which is the cuticle pusher. Please take the time to use this. Push the cuticles back so that way when you place those press-on nails, you can slide it a little under the cuticle. And I promise you that's the most natural look to where you would look like you have a full set and they're not press-ons. Because, we like to scam people. Like I told y'all in the last video, we scamming. I want to look like I was at the shop, but I don't want to actually be there, if you know what I'm saying. Alright, so I'm just using the alcohol pad to wipe off my nails, wipe off any excess oil, because we definitely want to make sure the set sticks properly and for a long time. Okay, so here are the sets that we're going to use, and these are available at sugarscoopbeauty.com, and it is called Pink Frosting. It's a holographic pinky shade. It's so pretty, and it's not even, the indoor lighting doesn't do it any justice. Once I'm done putting on the set, you guys are going to see me do a little clip outside so you can get the gist and the feeling of it. It's so gorgeous. All right, so in that little velvet pouch, it does store the extra nails. So I was just showing you guys that. So that's how all sets come. So right now we're just going to make sure we fit the nails and make sure they fit. And if we have to file or tweak anything, we'll do that prior to nailing them down. So I always do that because I like a perfect set. I don't want anything spilling over my cuticles. I just want it to look, I want it to look good. You guys might hear the filing and the TV in the background. I forgot to mute this clip, but you get the point. You get the point. I'm just filing the nails to make sure that there's nothing spilling over my cuticle. I file around it so that way it fits my nail perfectly. Now these nails can be cut, filed, customized, whatever you need, you're able to do them, and they file perfectly, they cut perfectly. They're great nails, period. So I just drop a dot of glue in the center, then I kind of spread it around the nail and go ahead and slide it right under the cuticle and hold it down for about 40 seconds and apply pressure. Pressure. The same way you apply pressure to their necks, please apply it to the press-on nails. Please, honey, please. So I'm going to go ahead and slide it right under the cuticle. You see, I push it up a little bit more and I place it and then press. Press, 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 press for about 40 seconds, and you're pressing with pressure. Right here, I got a little glue that spilled, so I try to wipe it away. Make sure you wipe it away from the nail. If that happens to you, wipe it away from the nail, not onto the nail. Okay, so the nails are all on. I'm going to do my favorite part, which is apply oil. Now, this is our Rose Quench facial oil, but whatever, I'm using it on my hands. It's not a big deal. So I'm going to use it on my hands to moisturize around my cuticles and just moisturize my entire hand so it looks pretty and it looks luscious and it looks great, glamorous, you know. Be sure to stay tuned to the end because I will go outside so you guys can see this in natural lighting because these nails are so pretty. You just take your time and spend time on you and enjoy the self-care part. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, y'all.